How to delete your account on Facebook Lite. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook Lite and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Once you are logged into your account, tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll down and head over to Settings. Move into Personal and Account Information. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Well, as we're looking forward on deleting our account, select Delete Account and then click on Continue to Account Deletion. Well, you need to state the reason why you want to delete your account. You can choose any of the reason from here. Let me select one of the reason from here. Click on Continue to Account Deletion. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll find the option of Delete Account. All you have to do is tap on it and your Facebook account will be deleted and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your account on Facebook Lite. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.